another trip down to HomeGoods to see if they put out any more Halloween and fall decor, and they did. So this is what my HomeGoods has right now for Halloween, fall, and a few other things too. So they have this right here. They have a lot of these type items. So $20 for that right there, and then those will light up. This one right here, $17 for that one right there. They have cute little signage that you can grab. $10 for that one right there. They have like these hard brass like pieces. $15 for that. These will be little tiny cauldrons, so they go all across right there. This bowl I thought was cute. I couldn't find a price on it though, but you see it has like the little web base at the bottom and then little spiders crawling up it. I thought that was cute. These are cute, the little cats, and they have like kind of little bowl heads. This one right here, another cute one, $25. She has the little flowers and stuff on her head right there. Just a ton of cute Halloween stuff, and they do have some fall stuff too. The little dolls, they have a lot of those back out, so $20 for those right there. You see they have different types, different colors. This little like sweater like pumpkin, $13 for that. Just a ton of different skulls and stuff, but they have like little serving dishes, little snack dishes, things like that right there. $6 for that set. So you get a set, and I think it's like four in the set. This guy was out of place, but it is a cute little decor piece. $17 for that one right there. These little, what do you call those, snow globes, but with the skull in it, and then they have like glitter that comes down that matches the skull. $15 for that. I love a hear no evil see no evil piece, so they have them in the collection like that. $13, and you see they have it in that white and then in that silver, and then they have individual ones for $10, and those are just a little bit bigger. They have mug sets, which are really cute. $13 for that right there, and you see it's like a little ghost, and I don't know what the other thing is, like a monster. This little globe, another one that I thought was cute because it has like that what do you call it, cracked glass? I don't know, but that one lights up too. They didn't have a price on that one. No, they have hanging skeletons, they have plushies, just a bunch of different things. This little decor piece right here, $13. More cute little pumpkins, like dolls and stuff. They have these pretty pieces right here. So this is the stacked pumpkins with the bats, and you can see they have a kind of like a sequence kind of glitter on them. $17 for that right there. They have this big eye, and that will light up too. I didn't see a price on that one though, but it shouldn't be that much because everything else around it was, reasonably priced. $20 for that pumpkin right there. Then they have like these garland like pieces of the candy corn. Those were cute, $15. And they have like different ones. So if you don't want candy corn, you can get ghosts, you can get pumpkins, you can get all kind of different stuff. $15 for that set right there. So just a ton of cute things. These little ghosts right here, $13. They have plush stacked pumpkins. They have these big hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil signs. Thought those were nice. They have like fall Halloween themed throws. That was a really pretty color for that one right there. Then they have this pumpkin. You can see all the different things. They have pumpkins. They have other little Halloween details on there. They have the table runners. We saw this last year, but this one is really pretty. I started shopping the carts because everything wasn't out yet, so I just started looking around there. $25 for that right there. They have these little books. Okay, so they'll be empty in the inside, and then you can put things like your remote and stuff, but you can leave these out like table decor and stuff like that. These are always great. So $13 for that one right there. This signage right here, really nice, really simple. It has a little ghost on it, $15 for that. More of the little decor books where you can put this stuff in. They have these like little wood stumps, but then they decorate them like, different themes. Those are really cute. So that one's a scarecrow, $13 for that one right there. They have these little guys. So these little guys, their heads are bowls. So you can put candy and stuff in those. $20 for those. And they have those in different styles. This one right here is just a bit bigger, and it's like Frankenstein. They have that one, $35 for that one right there. And then this one right here I thought was so pretty. It's just nice, simple, the skeleton head with the roses, but then it's all one color. They have a lot of stuff for back to school. So like, if you're getting ready for your college dorm or your apartment. So $59 for this desk. And it has like a little faux marble top. It has the gold at the bottom. And then a lot of office chairs that we've been seeing. So $100 for those right there. And you see you could seat two, but you wouldn't really put two seats right there. But $130 for this chair right here. The little organizational stuff. I like this one because it has the little drawers and like a little glitter detail. They are taped together. That's why they are coming out together like that. But $17 for that. They have them in all clear. So if you don't like the glitter and stuff. These signs I always like when I see them. So $25. This one says be happy. The other one behind it says create. This pumpkin I thought was nice with the little simple details. $17 for that one right there. Just a little sparkle. More Halloween decor. Like some is out, some they were still putting out at my HomeGoods. So we're gonna go back and forth between either shopping the carts that they put out or on the floor. So $40 for this sign right here. So it's like the little upside down broomstick and then the little signage. That's cute. That'd be cute, like towards your front door. This one right here where it has the stacked pumpkins. So $80, like in the metal little basket right there. That's another one that'll be cute towards the front door. This one right here, you can put a little tray. You can have candy. You can have treats if you entertain. If you want to put a candy for the kids, $180 for that one. Another little wood stump piece that they decorated in this one like a pumpkin. $15 for that one right there. You can also make these if you have scrap wood, but $15 isn't bad at all. Another cute little tray with the upside down feet in it, $70 for that. These little witches, they've had those before too. So $130 for those, and those are like really big. This guy right here, just a bunch of cute things. This one right here is $60. We saw this before. I think those were $100, but we saw them. There were a bunch of different colors. These little broom parking sign, I thought that one was another cute one. Just the Halloween decor is always so cute. So $80 for that one right there. More stacked pumpkins. This right, and then the stacked pumpkins, sometimes you can play those into fall too. So this little witch right here, $40, and she has like the kind of the hooded thing. This guy is back. So these are super big. So if you have a really big space, you can fit this. So $200 for that right there, and it is really big. This just a cute vase. If you don't like the flowers, I think you can take those out. But it has like those big neutral color like sunflowers, $35. But the vase is really pretty. It's like a texture like. And then the way they had it stacked on top of this wood block, which you can stack it on top of books and stuff like that. But you can use one of those type decor pieces. But $10 for that right there. Just a ton of cute stuff. They still have a lot of pretty summer type wreaths that you can grab. $25 for those right there. This one right here, if you still want like some patriotic theme, but like in a really pretty look, $25 for that. This little hat I thought was cute. Gave me a Harry Potter vibe. You know, the hat that talks, but this one lights up. So the little bat right there will light up. So I thought that was cute, and the colors are just really girly. Didn't have a price on that one. These I thought were so adorable. So it's a little skeleton sitting on the bench. And that one right there, $150, and they're like a brass. It's just like a really nice, simple piece of decor. Another little skeleton sitting in a throne, and you can see the other little skeleton details around the chair there. And this one lights up too. Not like a big light up, but you see some little lighting on that one right there. So just a bunch of cute stuff out right now. They have the metal signs, and a lot of this, like if you like to decorate, especially in your front entry, just around the house, these are all so cute, and you can toss these in so many different spaces and stuff. Back to the cards. So they have the little skeleton heads, and these are just cute to put on your shelf, to put on those stacked books, stuff like that. That one has like the marble drip. Those little vases, another cute one, $25. This little pumpkin cute with the skeletons and stuff, and then those picture frames are cute too. $7 for those right there. This little snake, $30, and then another cute bowl, $25. If you see, it's like 4 skeletons holding holding the bowl up, so their feet are like the base right there, and then more cute little light up globes, but just a ton of nice stuff coming out right now. Has your HomeGoods started putting out stuff? Because somebody did make a comment when I was there. They was like, oh my gosh, Halloween already. But I feel like every store wants to get the jump on the other stores, so they start putting stuff out earlier and earlier. This good vibe sign right here, so a cute little neon sign, $20 for that right there. This little picture was cute too. It's like, you know, with the raised pieces, but it was buried and stuff started falling when I started to pull it out. This lamp, another cute one for if you're like setting up your desk and stuff like that. I just like the way the glass shape was different, and then it has the USB port and stuff. $25 for that one right there. More Halloween stuff for the kitchen. They have more Halloween stuff than fall stuff out right now, but $8 for these kitchen towels, and these come in sets, so you can get them in sets. So this one right here, another $8, the little oven mitt set that you can grab right here, and those are like those half ones, so they don't come fully on your hand. So $13 for that right there. And you can get the little matching towels that'll go with that. They have the aprons, $10 for those, and these are real cute, and they're like sturdy type aprons. So aprons are so inexpensive now. You can get so many cute ones and stuff like at HomeGoods, Marshalls, all those places. So $10 for that one. 2 more dish towel sets, and you can see they come in a pack of 3, these right here, and you can see these are thick, so $10. Usually a lot of times when you see the towel sets, they're so thin. These are so thick. I thought they were bath towels, like hand towels for the bathroom, but they're supposed to be kitchen towels. So $13 for that right there. The table runners, a bunch of really cute ones. This one's so pretty. $15 for that one right there. It's just like the little pumpkins, and that's something you can really leave out all fall. The little cats right here, those are cute. $17 for those. These are going to be little bats, and you can see the little trees and stuff on there. So that one, just some really, really pretty stuff. And then this one right here with the metallic, that one was $20. This one right here with the metallic pumpkins, $15. This one you see the little spider details and stuff. And then this one, another pretty one with the pumpkins. It's just like the white, and then the way the orange and the black pop off of that is really nice. $15 for those. You see more tea towels hidden back here behind one of the carts. This skeleton right here with the cute little crown and everything, another cute one. They have like the ceramic like pumpkins, and then this one has a little light in it, which I thought was nice, that you can light up. $13 for that, and it comes in different colors too if you don't want that color. These have like the little metallic like details on it and the spider webs, just a bunch of cute stuff. These, something a little simple and nice, $13 for those. This $15, it lights up, so it's like a little town or a street, just something cute for decor. This I thought was so nice. So if you need a lunchbox, if you go off to work, you gotta carry a lunchbox, but you don't want it to look like a lunchbox. This is like a little bag. It's insulated. It's just really nice and cute, like a little bag. $15 for that. This little picture frame. So it's a picture frame with a skeleton hand. $13 for that. I thought that was nice. Just a bunch of cute stuff. This tiered tray, if you're a tiered tray lover, this one really nice with the marble look, the gold. $25 for that. It has 2 levels. These pillows right here, so if you want to add just a pop of color and just something different, $40 for that one, the round one right there. And then this beaded one, you can see all the beaded details on that with the bird and everything. That one was on clearance for $18. This sofa, if you like animal print, cute. It's I don't know, it just was something cute about it. And it has the little gold legs. It has like the clean lines on it. $600. It has like a nice feel, but it feels like it's wipeable, if that makes sense. This little side table I thought was another cute one. It has like the acrylic base, and then it goes down into the thing. They had some good clearance today on at my HomeGoods. So they have this piece right here. It's a big decor piece. Not bad at all. They have desks. This desk looks like it needs a little bit of wiping down, but it has, like, you see the cute acrylic Drawer handles, $100. You see all the little compartments there in the drawer to organize. But I'm thinking you can maybe buff that out. It has that back piece right there. We could put stuff, and then your cords can come out the back, so you don't have that messy cord look. Then they had a few chairs and stuff. Some of this stuff we saw before, but some of it was new, and I like seeing new stuff in the clearance. This tall vase, and if you can see, it has like kind of like a marble look. $40 for that one right there. They have a ton of lamps and stuff. $80 for that one right there. I'm not sure if those were scuffs or that's supposed to be distressed like that. This one right here, a few dollars off. $32 for that one right there. And then these, love these right here. So they if you don't like the palm print in the lampshade, you can just get a different lampshade. $45 for that. But the base, the way the wood is up top, this is just a real pretty lamp. This right here, I think it's a chair. But I just thought the colors were interesting. $49 for that right there. This little desk right here, just something simple. $79 for that. So yeah, so there was a few new pieces in the clearance at the HomeGoods, which I thought was great because I kept seeing the same clearance over and over. This table, a good size, you could fit like 6 chairs there because you have 4 on the side. You could fit 2 on the end if you wanted to. Just nice and simple. $150. That is not bad for a wood table. I don't know if it's wood, but it looked wood. And then these chairs right here, you can get those, or you can pair them with different chairs. But that whole setup wouldn't be that expensive at all, especially compared to other table sets that I have seen, even at discount stores. This lamp, I thought the base of it was interesting, just something different. So this right here, another one on clearance, $175 for that. And so if you're looking for a pop of color, then it has like the texture and stuff to it, has the shelves in it and stuff, so you can store things in there. Just, they always have great accent chairs at HomeGoods. These are pretty. I think we might have saw those before though, but they are pretty. And those right there are $500. And then the mirrors. HomeGoods is always great for mirrors too. The details, like the carving looking like $80 for that, not bad. This one right here, $180. It has that arched look. It has that like window frame kind of look too at the same time. Just really pretty. This one right here with like that resin waterfall kind of look, the little cart that you can wheel around, so it has wheels so you can push it around. More pretty mirrors. Like, these are so pretty. So it has a gold look, but then it has like a wood look, a carved look to it. So it's just doing a lot of cute things all at one time. I thought this was so pretty. $300, not bad at all for that size mirror. This one right here, a little bit smaller, but still it has some great details in it. And this one was on clearance, so $139 for that one right there. But yeah, HomeGoods always has a bunch of great mirrors. Dining chairs, these right here are $200. You see a lot of these styles right now. These chairs right here, just something, I thought they were nice. I like a big seating chair, so you can just get, if you want to get comfy, so $600 for those right there. And they look nice together. Like, if you put two together, a little side table in between. They have a bunch of clearance chairs, so $80 for those. And you can see they still have outdoor stuff. We went over most of all of the outdoor stuff though, but they still have outdoor stuff. This whole little set, they had the whole little set here, and it was on clearance. So you can see that tag there said $249, but it is not $249. It's $149. So $149 per chair, and then they have the sofa that you can match with it, and that one was on clearance, and you can see down from $700 to $300, so $400 off. So you might want to head over to your HomeGoods